अच्छा नहीं, मेरा अगला सवाल थोड़ा सा, you'll feel a little awkward when I'm asking this question, but I have to ask it. How does it feel to be right up there, as when you ask anybody that, okay, the Pakistan's biggest superstar, and they're like Fawad Khan.
No, don't say that.
I'm not saying this to make you feel good. I mean, people say this, right?
हाँ, but अच्छा बस सवाल बताएं.
सवाल यही है that do you feel now that it's a pressure or is it a privilege that you can choose your roles and you can still enjoy that popularity that has not faded in those years that you have not done work, not been seen on camera? ऐसे साल थे बीच में, आप नहीं नजर आए थे, मगर फिर भी popularity कम नहीं हुई.
I can only thank God for that.
Right.
I think मैं एक जिस तरह मैं कहता हूँ किस्मत, डेस्टिनी, ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो which come into play. मैंने ऐसा कोई मुझे लगता नहीं कि कमाल किया जिसकी वजह से मैं जहाँ आज खड़ा हूँ वहाँ खड़ा हूँ. I feel very strongly about that, and I'm being very honest with you. When you say superstar and all that, मैं इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ please ये I would rather be known as an actor that जिसका आप काम enjoy करते हैं.
वो भी है, लेकिन
बताओ उसका नुकसान क्या होगा. इन चीज़ों का चस्का लग जाता है आपको जब आपको कोई लेबल या टाइटल लगता है, और जब आप हटते हैं ना उस प्लेटफॉर्म से या उस पोडियम से या उस मैंटल से, so the fall is very hard. So I would not like to think of myself as a superstar.
And there are examples of actors who have
absolutely
faced that.
Absolutely.
You don't. It's not a pleasant feeling. And I think that is why staying away from all of this, in a way, is a blessing, because actors or artists, वैसे तो हर इंसान होता है, but मुझे लगता है actors and artists, because they are in the business of vanity, they are very vain and sensitive creatures that way. I don't speak for everyone, but at least I'm speaking for, this is my opinion, from what I've observed so far. तो आप सर का ताज बना के फिर पैर की जूती अगर बना दें, तो बेहतर ये है कि आप जिस काम के लिए आए हैं आप वो काम करके खुशी खुशी घर जाएं. And make, if it is a means of living, make it as a means of living. If you're entertaining people, then entertain them. But this is the philosophy I follow for myself. And then अगर आपकी किसी से मुलाकात होती है, and if they're respectful and they're kind, you return their thanks. You give them a thanks, and you chat with them, take a picture, and call it a day. Hear them out, because I think it is necessary that when art cannot exist without a patron. There is no art without a patron.
Absolutely.
There are two halves.
Yeah.
But also understanding that being an artist के साथ-साथ आप basically आप एक you wear a mask when you are in public, but then you also want to be yourself. So it is a very tricky space to be in, and if you get used to being called, let's suppose, that title, and you have to play that role, then you're becoming schizophrenic. And with no disrespect to schizophrenics, but you are then becoming, आपको multiple personality disorder permanently हो जाएगा.
Unbalanced.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot of pressure.
It's a lot of pressure. You stay off social media, and that's a deliberate, like, conscious decision you've made. Like you said, अब dumb phone भी होता है, whatever. You know that being on social media has its own backlash, and it's got, अगर लोग चढ़ाते हैं तो उतार भी देते हैं. Do you feel that that's a better route to take? Just stay off social media?
I would love to stay off social media.
And you can't because?
I do, but when I do get a little bit active, काम और बढ़ता है.
मिलता है, right?
हाँ. अब मुझे ये कहा जाता है कि you need to be more active on social media for XYZ things. The number of followers makes a difference in today's world. It didn't before.
Yeah.
But अब it does. But I guess I used to fight it. But it's important, you've got to move with the times.
Right.
We're chameleons also. आपने अगर इसी industry में रहना तो you've got to move with this. Be like water, my friend.
Be like water, my friend. आप पानी नहीं होना चाहते, पानीपन.
मैं बर्फ रहना चाहता हूँ. No. What is this question directed towards me now?
No,
इनको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Everyone finds their niche or their market, or like he said, he's been really lucky. Fame and luck has got a huge part to play, and
does it though? Does luck have a part to play in all of this?
Who else? Except for Allah, who else can he thank for having such a great ride and such a successful career without doing so much work? And me too, in terms of the I haven't worked so much to be given this much respect.
Right. Of
So
course,
it's
'cause
definitely
किसी एक element to have,
Yeah.
of course, but it's also because you both are very good at what you do. I
Thank
think
you.
there's also a sincerity of craft,
Thank you.
which we don't see a lot of these days. I mean, and I don't mean to put anybody down, but I think there's so much pressure to do more work and more popular work and more work that masses will see and TRPs will fall, rise, and आप लोग privileged भी कहूँगी मैं that you are in that position where you can say no to work that you feel is not good.
सच है ये बात,
हाँ.
लेकिन जहाँ से शुरुआत की उस वक्त जो है नहीं था इतना सब कुछ,
Right.
इसी की वजह से
और जब मीडिया का करियर अगर अडॉप्ट भी किया तो दे आई हैव आल्सो सीन टफ टाइम्स.
Yeah.
It's just that I've maybe seen both sides of the hand that way. ठीक है ना कि both sides of the coin कि डाउन टाइम देखा हुआ है बट अप टाइम भी देखा हुआ है. So I know I understand that there is a struggle, but yes, I think for a fact that this is what I feel. For a fact that when there was no social media, it was just the work that was speaking for itself.
Yeah, that was the best.
That was the best, right? It was, yeah.
Now you have to imagine this. You, even as the person that you portray, जिस तरह मैं अभी बात कर रहा था, that there's a person that is at home who is one kind of a person. Then he puts on a skin to become the public figure. And then on top of that, you put on another skin when you go to act. So when you come back home, essentially you undress twice.
Yeah.
So I'm saying that
To keep your mental health in balance, it's quite
It's tough.
so
Yeah,
वो privilege
it's
तो है, ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है वो स्पेस क्रिएट करने के लिए, सो कहते हैं ना कि जब एक चीज जो है when you keep pushing at it, you lose strength in the process. You start getting tired. Sometimes it's best to just sit back for a second and let things sink in. कि वक्त ही बताया आपको कि क्या होगा, आप थोड़ा सा सुकून करें. And if something is meant to happen, मैं इस चीज में वाकई में, because मैंने देखा है अपनी जिंदगी में होते हुए, जो रिस्क आपके नाम लिखा है वो आपको मिलके रहेगा,
Yeah.
चाहे किसी भी फॉर्म में मिले. आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीवर इन दिस. और अगर आप जान का जोर लगा लें,
Yeah.
आप चीज के पीछे पीछे भागते रहेंगे, वो आपसे दूर भागेगी जिंदगी में. सो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बस जो आप चॉइस कर लें व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन लाइफ, बिकॉज एक चीज होती है जिसमें हम बात किया करते थे कि अगर 10 रुपए आज ही मुझे मिल जाए या 1-1 रुपए करके मिले,
Okay.
बात तो वही है, उतना ही मिलना है आपको. सो अब आपने अगर हर दिन करनी है मैंने, तो आप बेशक करें एंड बी हैप्पी अबाउट इट. बट इफ इट मेक्स यू मिजरेबल, तो फिर जस्ट टेक सॉलेस इन द फैक्ट कि आपको मिल जाएगा, अपने वक्त पे मिलेगा. एवरी डॉग विल हैव हिज डे.
Right.
So I would suggest that don't take that stress.
also it's the intention with which you come with. आपने स्टार बनना है तो एक और
ये
ट्रैजेक्टरी
बहुत
है, और
important
आपने
चीज
एक्टर
है.
बनना
ये
है तो एक और
बहुत
ट्रैजेक्टरी
जरूरी
है.
चीज है. Yeah.